Good morning, students. We are going to read the chapter 5 of our grammar book. The chapter name is the noun number. What is number? A noun word that tells its quantity is called its number. Any word that denotes the quantity of the things, places, persons is called number. Number is of two types, singular number and plural number. It is given in your book, singular number and plural number. Singular number denotes the quantity of one person, one place or one thing. And the plural number denotes the quantity of more than two persons, two things and two places. ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ, ਵਸਤੂ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਹੁਵਚਨ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ, ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਆਦਮੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ. ਕਾਊਂਟਿੰਗ ਮੇ ਬੀ 2, 5, 10, 1000, 100. ਇਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਮੋਰ ਦੈਨ ਵਨ. ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਕਮ ਟੂ ਅਸ ਇਨ plural form. We will read how we can make the words plural by adding some words. According to first rule, we can make these words plural adding by only s. Just like dog, we add s, dogs, ear, ears, frog, frogs, plate, plates, bag, bags, feet, feets, girl, girls, horse, horses, rose, roses, car, cars. And the next passage, here are two boxes. These are words to whom we can make plural by adding only s of all these words. According to the next rule, the word ends with y and having consonant before it. The word ends with y having consonant before it is makes plural by adding I, E, S. What are consonants? As we know, we have 26 letters A to Z, and out of these 26 letters, 5 are vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, and the other 26 letters are consonant. Vowels ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਤਰਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ, ਤੇ ਕੌਨਸੋਨੈਂਟ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਅੰਜਨ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ A, E, I, O, U vowels ਆ, they are used as a ਮਾਤਰਾ, ਰਾਈਟ. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਤਰਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਬਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਲੈਟਰਸ ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਤਰਾ ਦੇ ਰੂਪ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਕੰਨਾ, ਸਿਹਾਰੀ, ਵਿਹਾਰੀ, ਔਂਕੜ, ਜਲੈਂਕੜ, ਇਹ ਵਾਲੀ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਆ, ਲੈਟਰ ਆ ਸੌਰੀ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਾਤਰਾ ਦੇ ਰੂਪ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਵਰਡ ਵਾਈ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖਤਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਿਫੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕੌਨਸੋਨੈਂਟ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਵਾਈ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਹਟਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਲੱਸ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਐਡ I, E, S. So any word that ends with y and having consonant before it, that is make plural by adding I, E, S. We remove y and I, E, S is added. Duty, duties, fancy, fancies, army, armies, body, bodies, puppy, puppies, party, parties, cry, cries, mummy, mummies, and same like in this box. According to the third rule, the words ends with s, sh, ch, ss, ss, x or z. The words that ends with these words, we add es with these words to make them plural. Like class ends with s, we add es. Fox ends with x, we add es. Ditch ends with ch, we add es. Gas ends with s, we add es. So like this we can make these words plural. The next rule says that the words ends with o, the words that ends with o and having consonant before it, कोई भी शब्द जिहड़ा ओ दे नाल खत्म हुंदा बट बिफोर इट देयर इज ए कॉन्सोनेंट दैट इज मेड plural by adding es, right? The words ends with o and having consonant before it is made plural by adding es, right? Like buffalo, buffaloes we add es, hero, heroes add es, because all these words ends with o and having consonant before it. And same like in this box, we add es to make these words plural. But here are some words that ends with o but we add only s to make them plural, like Eskimo, here is only s is added, canto, cantos, stereo, stereos, piano, pianos, only s is added to make these words plural. According to the next rule, the words ends with f or fe. The words that ends with f or fe, in these words we remove f or fe and ves is added to make these words plural. The words that ends with f or fe, we remove f and add ves to make these words plural. Like curve, here is curve, we remove f and ves is added. Knife, fe is removed and ves is added. Loaf, f is removed and ves is added. Self, f is removed and ves is added. Chef, f is removed and ves is added. Wife, fe is removed, ves is added. So same like in this box, f or fe is removed and ves is added to make these words plural. Students, here are some words that ends with f or fe but we add only s to make this plural. Just like belief, beliefs, cliff, cliffs, grief, griefs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs, proof, proofs, roof, roofs. So we add only s to make them plural. And in the next rule, students, what is said that it is said that the words ends with double vowel. Any singular noun that ends with double vowel like e, o, I, o, double o, double e or e means where two vowels come in the end of the word. Vowels may be any two. Vowels कोई भी दो हो सकते आ बट जिहड़ा शब्द आ वो डबल वॉवल दे नाल एंड हुंदा तां असीं की करदे आ, we add only s to make the words plural. Like bamboo ends with double o, here is double vowel, double vowel, double vowel, I-O double vowel, double E, double vowel. The words ends with double vowel is made plural by adding only s. Right? So students, you have to need to learn the rules. You have no need to learn the words where you have to s or s. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ words ਯਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, words ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਨੇ. You have to need to learn rule. ਤੁਸੀਂ rule ਯਾਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਡਬਲ ਵੋਵਲ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਲਾਉਣਾ, ਸਿੰਗਲ ਵੋਵਲ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਲਾਉਣਾ, ਐਸ ਐਚ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਲਾਉਣਾ. ਓਕੇ. ਐਂਡ ਇਨ ਦ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਰੂਲ, the vowel that comes in the between in the singular noun, the vowels comes between the singular noun, we change them. Like foot, here vowel is between the consonants, we change them feet. Gentleman, here vowel is used by e. Policeman, vowel is used policeman. Woman, vowel is changed, E. Louse the lice, man the men, fisherman, fishermen, goose, geese, these. Between vowels are changed, tooth, teeth, watchman, watchmen, mouse, mice, postman, postman. Right? Next, now singular are some to whom we add en or ren, en or ren to make them plural. Like chick, we add en chicken, ox, we add en oxen, child, we add ren children. Okay, and the ninth rule you will not do. Okay, and in the 10th rule, where numbers and abbreviations are come, we add apostrophe s by making to make them plural. 2 apostrophe s ba, apostrophe s bas, mla apostrophe s mlas, b apostrophe s b's, aid aids, ma mas, llb apostrophe s. Right? And in the next rule, the nouns that are combined nouns, ਸੰਯੁਕਤ ਨਾਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਬਲ ਨਾਉਨ ਆ। ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਸੈਨਾਪਤੀ, ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਸੰਪਾਦਕ, ਜਸਟ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਮਾਂਡਰ ਇਨ ਚੀਫ ਵੀ ਐਡ ਐਸ ਵਿਦ ਦ ਮੇਨ ਨਾਉਨ। ਕਮਾਂਡਰ ਇਨ ਚੀਫ, commanders in chief, editor in chief, editors in chief, father in law, fathers in law, man of war, man of war, ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ men of war, looker on, lookers on, passer by, passers by, stepson, here we add the second noun, step sons, class fellows, horse races, man eaters, maid servants, men servants, and women workers. So students, this is your chapter, change the number. Revise it properly. If you face any problem, you can call. Okay.